The boa constrictor first suffocates the crocodile by entangling it. Destroy its ability to resist. Python in prey. It begins to swallow before it is completely dead. This is part of its efficient hunting strategy. Choking and circulatory disorders caused by entanglement has incapacitated the crocodile. But the reflex persists. Swallow from the head. The fastest way to block the respiratory tract of prey, accelerated death. The esophageal muscles of a python will squeeze the chest of the crocodile. Excretion of residual gas from the lungs further accelerate asphyxiation. From a biomechanical perspective, swallowing alive is more time-saving and labor-saving than waiting for the prey to die. The crocodile's tail swings violently. It is the expression of nerve reflex and muscle tendon pills. At this moment, his skull and torso had been eaten by pythons. Thoracic hand pressure breathing has stopped. The swing frequency of the tail will gradually decrease over time, from 2 to 3 to 0.5. It stops completely after 2 minutes. From a biomechanical perspective, this struggle is futile. Because of the coiling and swallowing of the python, it's the peak of the crocodile losing all mechanics. The boa constrictor swallows the crocodile into its final stage. The heel of the hind leg and the tail are the most resistance parts. Due to hip, the joint width may exceed 10 to the maximum. At this point, the python will repeatedly adjust the angle of its head. It uses gravity to move the esophageal muscles. Push the hind limb into the stomach at a specific angle. From being bitten to this moment, total swallowing time is about 20-30 minutes. The crocodile's tail occasionally twitches. It's a spinal reflex, not an active struggle. The boa constrictor's jaws flare out at incredible angles. The muscles of the throat are like waves. Wave after wave of squirming. Python, within 20 to 30 minutes, completed the swallowing of the whole crocodile. The crocodile's size and phosphorus and potassium increase the difficulty of swallowing. Anaconda through repeated adjustments. The crocodile swallows at a jaw angle. Finally, the crocodile is pushed into the stomach. The stomach is it expands to more than 5 times its normal volume. Excessive secretion of gastric acid. The pH dropped to 1.5. Start breaking down crocodile phosphorus, potassium, and bones. From an energetics perspective, this meal will satisfy the python for weeks, even months of energy demand. People are like that too. It takes a long time to achieve great things. The python used this belly crocodile to tell us, it's not easy, but it's worth it. So do people. Swallow hard to digest into strength. Look at the animal world. Taste of life.